Right. So about 3 years ago, I put a video up, Project Lucy episode 1, where I was going to document a full series on me restoring my classic Mini, which is just sat behind you there. And for 3 years, I've not picked up the camera once. Reason for that is not long after I put the first episode up, I recorded hours worth of footage, 45 minutes about, and as I edited the video and everything just corrupted, lost everything, and I thought, fuck it, cannot be asked to do this. Just recently, it was literally just before lockdown, I thought, you know what, I'm going to give it another go. Apologies if you can hear the car cover and the gates opening and closing. Hope you can hear me anyway. So yeah, decided to give it another go, start recording everything. So this is just going to be a little catch up before we go into the video. So I'll explain what's happened, what's been done to the car already. Yeah, so what's happened, what has happened. So all the welding's done now, all the welding is completely finished. So that's good. Started putting some paint on it. What we've done is we've used Old English White Raptor. So it's Raptor that's been tinted to Old English White. Absolutely amazing stuff. Highly recommend it to anyone instead of under seal. It's brilliant stuff, goes on easy, and it's expensive compared to unseal, but you get such a nice, clean, good looking result out of it. I'd highly recommend it. And yeah, just sort of prepping it, ready for paint. And this episode you'll see us putting the front subframe and steering rack and everything back on, sort of starting the rebuild, which is exciting. I've just got the rear subframe back from powder coaters. I've just done that. Basically we're in the process of rebuilding it now, and we've got fiberglass front end. My wiring looms came now since lockdown ended. You know, we're getting somewhere. There's light at the end of the tunnel, so hopefully, touch wood. Yeah, it will be. I want it finished by this year, hopefully. Ideally, before Stamford Oral or another big mini show. Now, I was aiming for end of July, start of August for Silverstone Classic, because there's a few people I know that are racing cars. Lucy's dad, my girlfriend's dad, is racing his TR4, and I have friends from America coming over to participate and spectate and everything, so it's been great to see them. But that's happening now, so I don't have a deadline for it anymore, but hopefully, you know, towards the end of show season, probably when everything's back to normal after this whole coronavirus thing. But yeah, what you'll see now is me working on the Mini and reassembling it. I'm going to stop rambling and let's get on with it. we go. Some frames back in. I think sort of half in place. Just need to tighten them up, torque them up, and we'll drop the front. Alright. Some horrid things off, front and back. Got to patch that up, I think. So I'm pretty sure about 3 years ago when I made the first video I said, oh, I'm going to drop it on coilovers. So I spent 450 quid on the Beam coilover kit from Huddersfield Wind Spares and changed my mind. I'm just going to keep it pretty standard suspension wise. It's an expensive mistake, but you live and learn. So I'm starting to see some sort of light at the end of the tunnel now. It's starting to look good. Might not seem like it, considering it's been like 3 years. You'd think it'd be done by now, but no. We're getting there. We're getting there. Holy shit.
Holy shit.